we have conducted one court activity, and these people from Prime Batch, they are, pro max excited, ultra excited, today.
For what they are excited?
Excuse me, they're excited to perform here.
Okay.
And if you see them, you will be like, oh my goodness. Do you want to see them?
Absolutely, that's why I'm just standing
you
here.
want to see wife first or husband first, or you want to see divorce first, you want to see lawyers first, or you want to see judge first?
Of course, your dialogue is ladies first.
Excuse
So
me.
wife first.
Oh, ladies, Avi! He is Leda. What? Leda. Wife. Are you okay? Oh, you're a girl. You're a girl, right?
I'm with his husband.
Husband of Leda. Excuse me. Husband of Leda, please. Excuse me. Now you can see his situation. He has become takala because of Leda's tension. Because of Leda's tension, you can see every. And they want divorce. Both want divorce, or you want divorce? Oh. Girlfriend, boyfriend. Don't touch each other, right? Oh, excuse me. You're a girl, right? Make distance. So you come here. You have to show. While crying, you have to say one dialogue, because after some time you have to present yourself in court into witness box.
Yes.
So how will you present yourself so that judge can be very sympathetic for you?
Okay.
The time is yours.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Oh, I know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My milord, how I can explain this situation? Someone raped me at that night. I cannot explain this situation.
So what happened?
What, sir?
What happened?
Sir, he had raped me at night.
So you're okay actually, right? you're happy. Hey, I have been raped and you're smiling here.
Sir, I have.
Why are you smiling? Kara, someone has raped me and I'm smiling here.
No, sir.
So what do you want?
I want justice, sir.
You want justice?
Yes, I want justice.
लड़की की तरह बोलो.
Achha, sorry, sir.
हाँ. Yes.
I want justice, sir.
Okay, husband. Please pass it to Shalu. She has to be husband master, right? And after some time, she has to play this role into the court. Please.
My lord, she is in an extra mental affair, and I don't want to live with her.
Excuse me, are you both or what? Excuse me, I don't want to live with her and him.
Again.
And don't say she is extramarital affair. You have to, she is involved. All right. Yeah, if she has extramarital. Come on, tight. Being husband, yes.
Yes, sir.
In front of judge, yes.
My lord, she has an extra mental affair, and I
Mental
don't.
affair?
Marital affair. Sorry, sir.
मानो चाहे ना मानो, जज अपनी जो है चेयर छोड़ देगा. कोई नहीं, yes. Go
Tell
again.
me again.
She has an extra marital affair.
My lord, she has an extra marital affair, and I don't want to live with her. But I compelled, sir.
I am compelled.
I have compelled.
I
sir.
am compelled.
I am compelled, sir, because of my child.
Oh.
Because of my child, sir.
And where's your wife? What do you want to say? How will you act in the court? Yes, act.
Come on.
Act like a wife. Act like a wife.
My lord, I can't leave my husband because
I can't live with my husband. Leave मतलब छोड़ना हो जाएगा तब. I can't live with my husband because he's beating me a lot every day. कोई बात नहीं. अभी आते फिर lawyer.
yes.
नहीं आएगा, वो छिप जाएगा. कोई नहीं, बोल.
My lord, I am talking about Mrs. Kanhaiya. He wanted to divorce him. He always beat her. He always comment on.
मिसेस कन्हैया जब कह रहा तो मिसेस कन्हैया जानते कोई लड़की हो गई.
Okay.
तो she है.
Okay.
सिर्फ आपको अपना रूप दिखाना, कैसे लड़ोगे? चलो फिर से। सबसे जबरदस्त लॉयर मुझे दिखा है अभी तक जो, वो है मिस्टर रमखान। What's going on here? Date on date on date.
तारीख।
Jai Hind, my lord. You can see my client. She's very innocent. And that Rakyas, where is that Rakyas? Where is that this? See this Rakyas. She has been beating my client since a very long time. You can see this mark, my lord. You can see the Maya. My client wanted divorce from this Rakyas, my lord. Wanted divorce from this Rakyas.
Objection, my lord. I object, my lord.
Object, my lord.
Order. All right, the next.
Objection, my lord.
Say something.
Sir, he is telling a lie, sir. Because he is telling a lie because my client already depressed. Because he is depressed.
Okay.
Because
Come on, excuse me. Come on. Sachin, come on. Halla more.
Jai Hind, Lord. Whatever Mr. Ankush said that.
Excuse, you are looking afraid. आप डर लग रहे हैं। जैसे लग रहा है आप ही की victim हो।
Sorry, sir. No. Sir, here scenario is different. He will supporting victim and I am against victim.
So you are a lawyer.
Mr. KP is done rape by Santosh Kumar, sir.
So you are a lawyer, na?
Yes, I am
Some
lawyer.
situation will be there where
Yes.
you have to be angry, right?
Yes, I-
So show that anger. That's it.
Sir,
Give me the mic, please. The point is, मैं आप लोग को ना बस उस रूप में ला रहा हूं, उस धारणा में आपको ला रहा हूं, ताकि आप वहां पे धर लें। हाँ, देखो एक लॉयर ऐसे भी कह सकता है, अभी यहाँ पे हो रहा था ये तो लकड़ी मिनिस्टर, आई ऑब्जेक्ट माय लॉर्ड। हाँ ये तो होता है, आई ऑब्जेक्ट मोहल्ला। हाँ सर, वॉट एवर यू आर सेइंग आई डोंट एग्री। अरे मिला एकदम ये होना चाहिए, राइट? तो चलिए। यस,
I object, my lord. Whatever he is showing that and whatever the proof he is showing in front of us, this is the FIR report and this is the narco test report. He has paid money and he has given money narco test officer and SI sub inspector officer for proving this case is right. But this is completely wrong. Sir, I have recorded it on the CCTV cameras.
Objection, my lord. It is a false. He is applying a false allegation. Sir, Seema has done rape by Mr. Santosh Kumar and 11:30 p.m. And we have a report. Narco test is saying that he had done rape, sir. He had done rape to him.
हर
Yes, sir.
ये देखो, आई हैव बीन रेड, आई एम हैप्पी, ही हैड डन रेप हिम। बहुत मामला चल रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ऑलराइट, नाउ आई वांट टू सी एवरी लॉयर इज डन।
objection, my lord. He is just telling a lie. He is just making a cock and bull story. The question he is asking is just not relevant to this topic. I object, Your Honor. He is manipulating your mind. He is telling truth. He is not telling truth. He said that he
Mass, my lord, he have spoken to so many.
He blamed my client. He is not telling truth. He is not telling truth.
जय, कोई दिक्कत, बहुत अच्छा, मजा आ गया। यस यस प्लीज, मोहल्ला, एक्सक्यूज मी। हाँ, लकड़ी मिनिस्टर, एक्सक्यूज मी, कम ऑन।
Objection, my lord. My client is so innocent and he want to be educated. She want to
Actually, sir, you are innocent. You are innocent. No. Don't be innocent.
and
Okay.
she want to be educated. And everyone has right for education. What the problem?
Okay, wife, come here. Mrs. Sakuntala Devi. Come here. एकदम इमोशनल होके बोलिए। यस, लुक मैया, लुक।
You can see, sir.
माइक यहाँ रखो।
You can see, sir. He's beating me every time without any reason. You can see. He's doubt of my character, sir. He's very narrow-minded, He's very narrow-minded, sir.
She is lie speak, sir. She is lie speak.
She's lie speak.
He's very.
She's lie speak. She's telling a lie. इधर आओ बोलो she is telling a lie.
She is telling a lie.
He's very narrow-minded. You can see. It is proof. It is proof.
She is self inject your hand.
You are very cheap. You are very cheap. How you can say that? How you can say that?
बोलो I hate you. बोलो I hate you.
I hate you.
I hate you also, but
I hate you.
I hate you.
educated.
I hate
want
you.
to study,
Your behaviors.
but you are not support me. You are very cheap-minded.
माँ कसम इन लोग का अगर कहीं तलाक सच में होने लगे नहीं हो पाएगा, हो ही नहीं पाएगा तलाक। कह रहा है कि he has injected your hand. अरे भैया you have injected your hand तो she का हर होगा ना, हाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ओके second lawyer मोहल्ला प्लीज चलो I object my lord.
I object, my lord.
मिलाप नहीं, मिलाप कुछ और होता है। माई लॉर्ड,
I object, my lord.
आई ऑब्जेक्ट माई लॉर्ड।
I object, my lord. She is telling lie. Her allegation is totally wrong. My victim is an innocent person.
Really?
Yes, sir. He is innocent person. He never do anything wrong.
He never does.
He never
Does
does
anything wrong?
anything wrong with her.
Objection, my lord. He want to become.
हंस क्यों रहे हो?
He want to become her wife, only housewife.
He wants to become her wife.
His wife.
He wants to make his wife only housewife.
And she want to be educated. Then what is the
Objection, my lord.
problem?
He is
Everyone has
telling
right.
totally lie because my client
tell a lie.
every
You
time
can
wants
see.
to.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want to.
Wait, इधर I want. कर I want biscuit.
I want to divorce.
You want divorce?
Yes.
Are you ready for divorce?
I don't want to divorce.
But sir,
You will have to live with me.
Ore, you will have to live with me.
But I don't live with.
I don't want to.
I do want to.
I don't want to.
I don't want to with.
I don't want to.
I don't want to live with you. Because of you
It's
have
not possible.
two boyfriend, you are talking.
He is
You are
very narrow-minded and tell a lie.
all time talking with them.
You're talking to them.
He also has
This
2 or 3
This is my
girlfriends.
problem. That's
But-
why.
That is my problem. That you have two boyfriends. हाँ सही तो है. I have problem because you have two boyfriends. I don't
Yes,
want to live
I-
with you.
I have problem because of he has two boyfriend. She has two boyfriend.
You have two boyfriends.
I don't have 2 boyfriends and 0 boyfriends.
I am also engineer, na sir.
Okay, engineer. सुनो भाई engineer को.
I am also engineer.
Can I say that?
Yes, what is that?
He's telling a lie because before some time I am businessman, and this time he's telling I am engineer.
He's an Allah na.
Yes, he's Nalla, sir.
No sir, he's lie speak sir. So he's talking.
Hey Allah, you are Nalla.
He has also stuff here.
He is talking. Ye lie speak.
She's telling a lie.
Yes, sir.
No, she's truth. Are you in Allah or not?
Sir, he
In your mohalla there is halla.
she is girls. That's why you are supporting.
Can you show? Can you show any proof?
Okay, ठीक है, fine. Okay, हाँ next wife. सचिन के टीम में क्या हो रहा है? मर्डर? अच्छा ठीक, आप लोग लड़िए, थोड़ा देखें क्या मामला है. हाँ एकदम ड्रामेटिक में जाओ यार, बहुत जबरदस्त होगा.
क्या लॉयर लो.
Okay, ठीक, come on, go ahead. No, first of all, present your dialogue. Then I don't want to leave, right? Hurry up. 1, 2, 3.
I don't want to leave this person. My lord, I don't want to leave this person. He is beating me alone. See my hand. He always beating me alone. My lord.
You
He
deserve
always
it.
beating me alone.
You deserve it.
I don't want to live with him. I don't want to. Please save me. Please save me, my lord. Please save me. I don't want to live.
That's fine. Okay, fine. Husband, आप ही कुछ बोलिए थोड़ा सा. बहुत मारेंगी. She will beat you.
Without my wife, we don't have in the world.
We don't have. एक wife पे भी कैसे आ गया?
I don't have any person in the world. I like you, my wife. I love. My wife is my love. My wife is my world. My wife is my life. No,
Why are you beating her?
no, I do not beat you. I do not. She is blaming me. I do not beat you. I love you. I love you, my wife.
He is always coming at midnight.
He's coming midnight.
Yes.
With
No, sir.
Always every day he is.
and he's drunk. He's drunk.
And also he is drunk.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sir, I never drunk. Sir, I never drunk.
I accept it. Kanhaiya, what do you want?
I want to divorce.
Divorce?
Yes, sir.
Shame on you.
No, sir.
You please look at her. She's very honest. She's very sympathetic.
Sir, you don't know. She is not honest.
Sarah, how are you talking?
Sorry,
Behave
sir.
yourself.
Sorry, sir.
I'm judge here.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Do you want to leave? You want to divorce her?
Yes, sir. I want to divorce with him.
Mrs. Kanhaiya, what's your problem?
So, my lord, my problem, my husband is cheating me after marriage.
No, sir. She is cheating on me.
Yes, Sarah, wait.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
He is beating me multiple times. My lord, look at these marks. My hand. My husband multiple time beat me.
Sir, she is belong to poor family and she wants to divorce.
Ille.
So you want to divorce?
Yes, my lord.
All right, that's fine. Okay, give me the mic, please. Lawyer, थोड़ा टाइट हो तो मजा आएगा.
Yes.